So for the past couple of months, we have been seeing boring price action for the Chainlink price, essentially trading between support and resistance and lagging behind many altcoins that have already pumped towards the upside. And I know many of you investors are wondering, when will we see the next leg towards the upside for Chainlink? Because I completely understand that many of you are bored with the price action right now, and that is exactly what we're going to be discussing in today's video. We will talk about the levels to look out for, the possible bullish scenarios and bearish scenarios that may arise in the immediate short term, as well as my current expectations and price predictions. So if you guys pay closer attention into the charts right now, we are inside the daily time frame, and I have some bullish news for the Chainlink price. So the line you see below the price right here, this line right here, which looks like a moving average, is actually a VWAP, and I use the VWAP to look for entries into certain cryptos. And right now, as you guys can see, if you do take a look at the price history for Chainlink, you guys can see the last time we had a retest of the VWAP was right here. And right after we saw Chainlink have a retest of this VWAP, after this massive pump towards the upside, we had a retest. The moment we touched the VWAP, we saw a massive move towards the upside. And right now we are seeing it happen again for the Chainlink price. We are seeing right now Chainlink have a move towards the upside, consolidate, move sideways, and now dump towards the downside and have a retest of the VWAP. So I guess you can say what we can expect next for the Chainlink price. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to pump immediately towards the upside. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying we're going to immediately see a massive move towards the upside. Obviously, there's a chance that we could still see Chainlink move further towards the downside. If the market conditions start to flip bearish, we could see Chainlink move further towards the downside before moving up. That is a possibility, but right now what I'm talking about is we are seeing our first bullish confirmation for the price. However, right now I'll be mentioning the levels to account for the Chainlink price. So again, as you guys can see, we're trading between support and resistance. There's resistance right here, and there's support at around 12.6 US dollars, and this zone right here is resistance that ranges from $14.6 until $16.5. Essentially, this green zone, which is resistance, is the reason why we are seeing price suppression for Chainlink, and why we have seen Chainlink lag compared to the entire altcoin market, is because this green zone right here is major resistance. And that is why right now I'm telling you guys that we should see Chainlink in the coming weeks or days have a successful break above 16.5 US dollars, because once we do see Chainlink have a successful break above resistance and flip that to support, we could move towards the next major resistance, which is this next zone right here at around 33 US dollars. But for that to happen, we should first off take out these minor resistance levels. First off, we have the red line right here at $18.1, and then we have another minor resistance at $27. Once we do manage to successfully take out these resistance levels, we could move towards the ultimate target of around 33 US dollars. So from the price we're at right now, that would be a 120% pump towards the upside. Now let's talk about the bearish scenario so that you guys could prepare for both scenarios. So if you do see Chainlink in the coming days or weeks fail to hold support at around 12.6 US dollars, if we do see Chainlink break below support and flip that to resistance, we could see the price continue moving towards the downside, towards the next support zone that starts at around 9.7 US dollars. So that is why in the coming weeks or days, it's going to be very crucial right now for Chainlink to hold this support level and move towards the upside to continue expecting bullish price action. If you would like to learn how to make $100 per day, then do watch this video that's being displayed on the screen right now.